Okay, so you've powered on your Android box for the first time, or you've done a factory reset and you're ready to connect to the internet. The first thing you do is go to the settings page. As you can see, I'm running Android 7.1. This is a T95Zplus Android box, so it has the newer firmware. So as you can see, after hitting settings, the gear icon right here, side menu will slide out and you'll see network. Click on network. You'll see Wi-Fi. Click on to the Wi-Fi. Turn it off or on. If it's on. Find your network. Simply scroll down to whatever network you're Jojo's. Type in your password. And then connect. Saved, connect. Now we're connected to the Wi-Fi. And the way we can tell we're connected to the Wi-Fi is see next to the clock the Wi-Fi symbol. If that Wi-Fi symbol is there, it means you're connected. If there's nothing there, it means you're not connected. Another note, if you're running Android 4.0, 4.1, 4.4, your settings page will look like this. And simply, it's the very first option. As soon as you open settings, it's right there. So just click Wi-Fi, find your device. If you're using Ethernet, however, click the Ethernet box if you're using Android 4.4. If you're using Android 5.1 or 6.0, your settings page will look like this. And then click on network, the very first one here, and the process is exactly the same. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.